Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be discussing in detail about installing procedure of Simplicity Studio and working with our Silicon Labs boards, which are nothing but BRD 4002 and 4338. So to install Simplicity Studio for your desired OS, you have to visit this website. I'll be keeping this link of this website in the description. So you have to visit this website and you can choose your distribution type. It can be Linux, Mac, or Windows. So based on your distribution type, if you click on install, it will install an ISO file. If you double click on it, it will prompt you for installing. And once you have installed, you will be opened with a Simplicity Studio application like this. So there are few things that you need to look into once you have installed Simplicity Studio. Once you have completed installing Simplicity Studio, you will be seeing a install button with red color symbol. You have to click on install, and you'll be popped up with a window like this. With Here, as I have already installed my SDKs, it is not showing anything like device wise or configuration and all. So if you have not installed any SDKs, it will give you three windows. Each window saying installing SDKs either by connecting a device or manually or by auto mode. So you have to select by manual mode and choose 32-bit and click on proceed. Once you have done with it and all the SDKs are installed, you have to open the installation manager and go to the SDK section. So this might take a while for loading. Once you have done with this, once you have opened this SDKs, you can see Simplicity SDK 32-bit and wireless MCUs. This was the SDK downloaded by me, and this will be the SDK you will be downloading as well. You have to see three extensions: Sidewalk, Silicon Labs Matter, and Wise Connect. This Wise Connect 3 is the major SDK that we'll be using for programming our boards, which will be BRD 4338 and BRD 4002 combinedly. And if you want to add Gecko SDK for interfacing wireless Gecko boards, you can also add it. Once you are done with it, you can you can close it, and after that, this will be the IDE you will be working on. This is known as Project Explorer. This is known as Debug Adapters pane, Project Explorer's pane, Debug Adapters pane, and this will be your work area. And here you will be seeing some error messages or any information message, like this is a console basically. So if you want to create a new project, you have to click on File and New and Silicon Labs Project Wizard. It will prompt you to a page wherein which it will ask you for different details like target boards, target device, SDK, and IDE. Sometimes it is possible that nothing will be selected here, and what you have to do is you can manually type BRD 4002 and select the latest version. And only BRD 4002 cannot be programmed because it is just a base board. So you have to add another board which is 4338. You can select the latest version. So you can see that once you have selected both of them, uh, yeah, once you have selected both of them, our target device gets updated to SAWG 917M111 MGTBA, which is the manufacturing part number of the onboard chip for BRD 4338. Once you are done with it, you have to select a SDK which has Wise Connect support. Basically, Simplicity SDK Suite 2024.6.2 has it. And after that, you have to select a proper tool chain. You can use Simplicity IDE by GNU ARM. You can also use Keel Microvision if you have Keel installed on your laptop, ARM Keel. But there are some packages in Keel which is very huge, like 30 to 50 GB. So I recommend you to use Simplicity IDE by GNU ARM and click on next. Once you click on next, you will be prompted to a page or a window with all the examples that are already developed by Silicon Labs on the board, which might help you in programming the board. So these are the examples. You can see there are 155 resources found. So you can what is the use of these examples is, for example, if you want to interface LED, onboard LED, you don't know how to start with because this is a new board for you, you can simply type in blinky code which will toggle the LED. So you can see there is an already available program SLSI91X blinky. You can click on next, and here you can change the project name, like let us say I'm using this blinky to interface with the button and MemLCD. So I can write so let us say if I'm interfacing button LED and displaying the status of LED on MemLCD. So I'll write something like button LED MemLCD underscore if I'm also displaying it on VCOM. So yeah, you can keep this, and you can use a default location which will be a location of your workspace, or you can create your own workspace, like you can untick this and browse and choose a different location for this project. Once you are done with it, you can use link SDK and copy project sources and click on finish. So this will create the project and open a readme document related to the project. So you can see that the project is being created, button LED MMLCD VCOM with the SL underscore blinky ka readme open. So what all you can find in readme is you will find basic details like you will find which LED will be toggled, or sometimes you will also find some parameters that you can configure. Like for example, here it is given key hash defined toggle delay ms configured for 500 milliseconds. So this is the statement they are using for toggling the LED after every 500 milliseconds. So here they have mentioned LED 0 will be continuously turned on and turned off. So these are some of the details that you can get from the README document. Once you are done with the README document, you can explore app.c, app.h, blinky.c, blinky.h, and main.c to understand more about the project. I'll explain about uh, starting with these projects in the upcoming videos. Uh, for this video, this is all we have. Introduction to Simplicity Studio. If you have any doubts regarding this, please do comment in the comment section. If you find this video informative, please do share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel Tech Talks. Thank you.